Hello, welcome back to my new video and my name is Vandana Saroz. Today I am going to cover one luxury project and this is from Sector 76 Gurgaon. In this video I am going to talk about White Land, the Aspen and iconic tower. Now this is the actual location of White Land, the Aspen project. Sector 76, which is part of SPR Road. SPR Road is well connected to all major locations of Gurgaon. So first, if I talk about NH8, then that is going to take just 6 to 7 minutes of drive time from here. This location is well connected to Dwarka Expressway through Cloverleaf flyover, and if you go towards extreme right, then there is Vatika Chowk, which is directly connecting Sona Road, Golf Course Extension Road and main Gurgaon with this SPR Road. Major points about this location. One is proposed metro station, which is going to be just 900 meters away from this location. Second, the main commercial hub of SPR Road, which will take just 2 minutes of drive from here. And if I talk about the airport, that is going to take approx 30 minutes of time from here. Cyber City is going to take approx 20 to 25 minutes of time from here. Now, after understanding the location in detail, it's time to talk about the project. White Land is having approx 27 acres of land here. So out of 27 acres, they have used 21 acres for their luxury residential projects. In this way, 7.5 acres was dedicated for White Land Blissville, their luxury independent floors, and this project is completely sold out now. So the total project size is 13.5 acres. Let's start now. White Land, the Aspen iconic. So this is one project only. First we will talk about White Land, the Aspen, and after this we will discuss one tower, which is White Land iconic tower. White Land, the Aspen is having total 8 towers and the tower height is G plus 30 for first 4 towers, and for other 4 towers there is the tower height of G plus 34. The total club size is approx 1,10,000 square feet. It is going to come with beautiful water bodies and one open pool. This is going to have 5-tier security, 24/7 CCTV surveillance. Your view is always going to be clear with beautiful Aravalli Hills view because there is no overlooking balcony. Now it's time to talk about the sizes. First, let's see the sizes of a 3 BHK. It starts with super area of 2766 square feet. Second size in 3 BHK is 2795 square feet, and the last is 2937 square feet. Now let's look at the sizes of 4 BHK. It starts with 3680 square feet, next 3695 square feet, then 3890 square feet. The last one is 4054 square feet. One more tower with a super area of 2300 to 2400 square feet, 3 BHK, is expected to come here soon. It's time to talk about White Land, the Aspen, one and only tower, iconic tower. It has a tower height of G plus 42. Yes, this is the height which is going to give you a clear view of Aravalli Hills and of this Gurgaon city. It has spacious and largest sizes of this project. It has its own security and privacy. If I talk about the luxury, then you can expect each and everything with same gentry while staying at iconic tower. There is going to be triple height entrance lobby of your tower. There are only 120 units in this iconic tower. Triple height welcome lobby has a height of 30 feet to welcome you every day, every time. Now there are exclusive benefits if you opt for iconic tower. One, there is going to be only and only 4 BHK sizes, no 3 BHK. There is one Zen garden which is exclusively for iconic tower residents. Next, there is a stargazing area along with ultra high speed elevators, air purification technology. Iconic tower is also going to provide you 8 by 10 feet patios so that you can spend some time under open sky with your loved ones. Iconic tower is going to have a separate clubhouse. It is going to come with cigar room, card room, co-working spaces, spa and private jacuzzi, business center and party lounge. Your super luxury apartment in Iconic Tower is going to come with a complete VRV. Now it's time to talk about the sizes of Iconic Tower. So there are going to be only and only 4 BHK apartments. First is 4,454 square feet, and this is the nose unit in Iconic Tower. If I talk about the wing unit, then it has a super area of 4,645 square feet. Your all super luxury apartments in Iconic Tower is going to come with a floor to ceiling height of 11 feet plus. Before talking about Whiteland, The Aspen and Iconic Tower, let's discuss few points which are common in both. First, their architect is Hafiz Contractor. The landscaping of this project is done by Christopher Jonas. Now it's time to go to their beautiful simple apartment. Let's go. The size of this simple apartment is 3,890 square feet, and this is 4 BHK with servant. So from here it starts. This is the foyer area to protect your privacy, and on my right side there is a shoe rack. ये shoe rack आपको तैयार होकर मिलेगा. Look at the complete size of this living area. On my left side, we are going to move to the beautiful patio of this luxury apartment from this living area. Please come. This is the surprise of this beautiful apartment. Look at the length and width of this patio. Now let me share one more thing. This spacious patio is connected with your first bedroom or guest room. After that, it is well connected to this beautiful living area through this glass door, so that your view is always clear. Natural sunlight is going to come directly in your living area and dining area. This spacious patio is also connected to this kids room. If I talk about the flooring, this is the premium Italian marble, and on my right side, this is the complete dining area. Look at the length of this apartment. This is the extra space which you are getting. On my left side, the first bedroom starts. Look at the size of this first bedroom. This is the attached washroom. Now you are not going to get this vanity box and this glass. Yes, definitely there are going to be premium bathroom fittings. You are going to get this space because wardrobes are not going to be part of your apartment. And now the best part of this room. Now on my right side, this is the powder room. And next to this powder room, this is the extra space which you can use as your puja room, study area, or yes, it can be your bar corner as well. This is the extra space which is going to come in Whiteland, The Aspen and Iconic as well. Look at this grand dining area. Now let's move to the kitchen also. Now this is the extra area which has been provided for your kitchen. Look at the length now and the finish also, because this is going to be fully modular kitchen and fully loaded as well. So whatever you are going to see right now, microwave, oven, refrigerator, chimney, hob and washing machine, these things are going to be part of your modular kitchen. But yes, in few units in the Aspen and Iconic, there is a different layout also of your kitchen, so which you can choose as per your choice. After looking at this beautiful finish, all storage, fully loaded with chimney and hob kitchen, it's time to move to the utility balcony. Here you can see the premium tiles have been used, and this is the spacious utility balcony with beautiful glass railing. On my left side, this is the servant room. It's time to move to the second bedroom. This is the size of the second bedroom here. Now this is the door which is taking you to spacious patio, and on my right side this is the attached washroom. If you are going for 4 BHK, you are going to get 2 master bedroom with dresser area. So this is the first master bedroom of this luxury apartment. Look at the size of this beautiful master bedroom. Now they have made sure that you get natural sunlight all the time because of these beautiful glass walls. In 4 BHK, 2 master bedroom, 1 master bedroom is going to come with this laminated wooden flooring, and second master bedroom is going to come with premium Italian marble. And on my right side, this is the dresser area of this first master bedroom. Look at the size of this master bedroom washroom. In first master bedroom, there is going to be private balcony. Please come. Look at this beautiful private balcony, and you can always enjoy your Aravalli Hills view. Look at the flooring, and let me show you the length of this balcony. This is a beautiful wraparound private balcony. And this sector 76 is completely full of greenery, Aravalli Hill view, peaceful area. After looking at this wraparound private balcony, it's time to go to second master bedroom. Please come. Look at the size of this main master bedroom. All rooms are equipped with these beautiful glass walls, including your living area. And on my right side, this is the dresser area. Look at the space here. And your main master bedroom is going to come with bathtub also. And finally, it's time to move to the private balcony of this main master bedroom. Please come. Look at the width of this beautiful wraparound balcony, and on my right side, this is the complete length. Look at this. So this was the beautiful luxury apartment of Whiteland, the Aspen. Expecting the best price at Whiteland, the Aspen Iconic. Do call or WhatsApp me. And finally, like the video, share the video with your known ones. Let's meet in next beautiful video with a new project with Vandana Saroj. Bye bye.